So inside this system, you have the ability to reach our team. You can find everybody that works for CI Web Group. So if you want to message Mike, for example, or you want to connect with Clay, you can see everyone that works for CI Web Group. You guys can connect with them directly. You can ask questions. Inside the system, you have you also have the ability to attend any additional courses that you want. So if you click on courses on the left-hand side, if you want to dive in and you want a dealer to, you can add your dealers to the site. They can be in here as well. All of these training courses, kind of like what we're going through today, we have them inside the system, and you guys can attend. They're just videos. So if you want to go through the AI chatbot, for example, you can play from a recorded one. You can start the course and keep track of what you've completed. We just had a dealer that just finished the online scheduling system training. So it'll have each one of the different trainings. You can continue. It'll keep track of what training that you've watched. So this is a great tool for dealers, for you guys if you want to learn more about any topic. There's branding, the entrepreneur mindset. As you get to know the topics that are in the system and you're communicating with dealers, you might want to send them into the system and say, there's a training for that. You're worried about branding, or you're trying to deal with reputation management issues, or maybe you've got poor reviews, or you're not sure how to set up your social media accounts. There are tons of videos that are in here, and we just keep adding more and more and more. So it's a great training tool, and it just continues to get bigger. If there's any training you want to see that doesn't exist in the system, you guys can always chat with Clay or Jazz or Mike or myself or anyone on our team and say, hey, we need a training on CRM systems or dispatching systems or anything that you want, and we'll make sure and get those courses in here. So the goal is just to make sure that you've got a social network where you can communicate with us easily. You can ask questions. You can invite your dealers. They can ask questions in a private network. We also have different distributors. The independent distributors have their own areas within the site. So if it's a Johnstone Supply Blooming Group, or Bloomington or Ware Group or Stevens Equipment and so forth, they have their own portals within the system. But it's just great for education and communicating with the team.